Imagine losing weight while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But that's exactly where the journey of intermittent fasting begins. This is Liver MD, and today, we're exploring the beginner-friendly version of intermittent fasting, the lazy edition. Our first step is to wrap up dinner by 7 in the evening. Why, you ask? Well, just like that coworker who loves to clock out early, your digestive system slows down as the day winds down. And let's not forget, late-night snacking is the equivalent of binge-watching Netflix. It totally messes up your sleep schedule. Next, you'll need to keep your eating windows tighter than your skinny jeans. Allocate 1 hour each for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's it. This isn't an all-you-can-eat buffet. We're not here to graze all day. Our third step is to declare war on snacking. When you snack, it's like your body saying, why should I bother burning fat when I've got these tasty Doritos right here? So snacking needs to go. Finally, as you progress and become a fasting pro, you can choose to extend your fasting window. Ladies, it's best not to go beyond 14 hours. Gents, feel free to push it to 16 or even 18 hours. But remember, always consult your doctor if you're on medication or have any health concerns. So there you have it. You can start your fasting journey tonight and wake up to a healthier version of yourself. Don't miss out on more health hacks. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, peace out.